Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to check the health of any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Store and just search for Microsoft PC Manager, and now you will see here Microsoft PC Manager. Just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and after that just click on open. On opening, you can see this kind of user interface, right? So just click on this home button, and now you will see here health check option. Just click on it. Now it will automatically scan your PC, so have patience until the complete scanning is done. So finally the scanning has been completed. Now it will suggest you to do some task. So you can manually select it, or you can click on optimize now. So you can see here my PC status is good. So below you will see the informations. So you can manually select the respective options also depending upon your needs, or you can directly click on the suggested options. So by using this application named as Microsoft PC Manager, you can easily check the health of any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.